Hi students, good morning everybody. Today let us see some problems on trigonometric identities. So already we have discussed about trigonometric identities. What are the trigonometric identities? First identity says sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Similarly, second identity says secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Third one is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. These three are the trigonometric identities. By using these identities, we are going to solve these problems. Look at the first question. Prove that sin theta plus cos theta multiplied by tan theta plus cot theta is equal to secant theta plus cosec theta. That should be proved. Now take LHS first for doing that problem. First LHS. Sin theta plus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta. Okay? By taking LHS, we have to prove RHS, secant theta plus cosec theta. First, write as it is this one, sin theta plus cos theta. This we can change into sin and cos. We know the formula for tan theta and cot theta in terms of sin and cos. What are the formulas here? Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. These two are the formulas. Tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta as per the fundamental formulas. Cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta. Hope it is clear that step. What did I do here? Tan is written as sin by cos. Cot is written as cos theta by sin theta, right? Now take LCM there. Sin theta plus cos theta into, here I can take LCM. Simple, LCM means you can multiply like this. Sin theta into sin theta, cross way you can multiply. Sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta plus cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta upon cos theta into sin theta. Clear? Sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta plus cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. Cross way I am doing like this, sin into sin, cos into cos upon cos into sin. But numerator looks like sin square theta plus cos square theta. I told you here, see, identity, trigonometric identity. First identity says that value is how much? 1. So I can write sin theta plus cos theta into, this value becomes 1 by cos theta into sin. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1. That is first identity. Since it is in the first identity form, I have written 1. Clear? Now this we can write sin theta plus cos theta upon cos theta into sin theta. Okay? Now we can split this way. Sin theta by cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta by cos theta into sin theta. We can split this. Sin theta by this one plus cos theta by this one. If you take LCM, you will get same again. Right? Sin by cos into sin plus cos by cos into sin. Splitting. Okay? For example, if you have a plus b by c means we can write a by c plus b by c. We can split. Understand? So there is no change in the step. So sin side gets cancelled, cos gets cancelled. So 1 by cos plus 1 by sin. But 1 by cos is nothing but secant theta plus 1 by sin theta is nothing but cosec theta. You remember fundamental formulas here. 1 by cos is nothing but secant. 1 by sin is nothing but cosecant. Okay? That is to be proved, I think so. See there, RHS. So, RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, you must write question here. Sin plus cos into tan plus cot is equal to secant theta plus cosec theta. That is proved. So hence proved. These are the steps we must write. Hence proved. Right? That is the first question solution. Hope it is clear. Now I do go for second one. Look at the second question. Second solution. This can be done from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, your wish. So we will go from left side to right side, no problem. LHS I can take directly 1 plus cos A upon 1 minus cos A. Take LHS. But here we have, once observe here, cosec A plus cot A whole square is there. There is a whole square on RHS side. How do we get a whole square? Simple thing. Since 1 minus cos A is in the denominator, I will take 1 plus cos A upon 1 plus cos A. Multiply and divide with the opposite sign. Like rationalization. Like a rationalization. If there is plus here, minus by minus we will do. Since there is minus here, we have to go for plus by plus. Then only we will get whole square here. See, 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A, we will get 1 plus cos A whole square. Right? Then we can go ahead. Since multiplying both numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos A. This is the since step here. Why did I multiply and divide with 1 plus cos A? Because 1 minus cos A present in the denominator. So opposite symbol we have to multiply and divide. So 1 plus cos A into 1 plus cos A. 1 plus cos A whole square upon, it looks like A plus B into A minus B, right? A plus B into A minus B, right? So A square minus B square. A square minus B square. So A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square, right? Looks like A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. A value 1, B value cos A. So A square minus B square, right? Fundamental algebra formula. So this I can write 1 plus cos A whole square as it is upon 1 square means 1 cos square A. 1 plus cos A whole square upon 1 minus cos square A. Here you just observe in the first identity cos square theta. If you send that side, then what happens? 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sin square theta, sin square A. Since from the first identity we can write cos square A equal to 1 minus sin square A. From the first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So here we have 1 minus cos square theta. Sorry, 1 minus cos square A can be written as sin square A, sin square theta. Now both numerator and denominator both are having squares. So 1 plus cos A upon sin A, we can put whole square. Both are having squares, right? We can put the whole square. Now I am splitting like before. 1 by sin A plus cos A by sin A. Whole square. 1 by sin A, how much? Cosec A. We know the fundamental formula. Cos A by sin A, we know that cot A. Whole square. Since 1 by sin theta is equal to cosec theta and cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta. These are the formulas we use. So we got it RHS. So LHS equal to RHS. Therefore 1 plus cos A upon 1 minus cos A equal to cosec A plus cot A whole square. Hence proved. Right? So this is the way we can solve it. Right? So the similar question, like second question, I will give you 2 more problems. You just see here. You can try yourself. See. You can try yourself this. 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, if there is. Here this one I solved it as 1 plus cos by 1 minus cos. Now I am giving 1 minus cos by 1 plus cos equal to cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. This you have to prove. Similarly, 1 plus sin by 1 minus sin equal to sec theta plus tan theta whole square. You can prove this. Similarly, 1 minus sin by 1 plus sin is equal to sec theta minus tan theta whole square. These 3 problems you can try yourself, right? By looking this question. Okay? Hope it is clear. Thank you.